wondering where the Miata's been, it's been just sitting out here with a car cover on it. So it still goes into gear and stuff, just not when the car is on. Clutch fluid's full, so I know that's good. Taking it to a shop today to help me diagnose it, just double check to make sure it's a throwout bearing, and then I'll just change everything. So first start in like a week. Starts right up every time, man. I fucking love this car. I can't wait to drive it. The guy's like asking me what I'm gonna do with the car. He wants to take a picture with me. Got the photo with the guy. He's cool as hell. I thought he wanted a photo with my car. He wanted a photo with me. I was like, what? Man, that made me feel so special because I ain't shit. Anyway, we're off. I'm gonna follow him over to the shop that Jace has, Miatas and More. And Jace said he'll pull it apart tomorrow and then take a look at it. So yeah, this should be pretty cool. Oh, we just got to the shop. So we got the car around the corner. See where Jace wants to put the car. All right, so we're gonna unload the car and I guess pull it in a round bag. All right, there she goes. Jace got her right now. I just started her up. Let's see what happens. Dude, my freaking car is so quiet I didn't even hear it. This wild thing. You gotta like just lift it out of here. Jesus. This thing's pretty cool. Oh, it's got the nice sparkle wheel. I like that. Shit, let me get that. It's got a... There's an E36 back here? Nice. Got a lot of cars. Into the shop of the Miata Master. Jesus. Fucking... That shit's loud. Smells like gas in here. Woo. All right, there she is with Jason there. I'm heading out. I can't believe it. It sucks seeing my baby in there. Oh my God, this is a 10th anniversary. Wow, dude, look at this shit. I didn't even realize this was a 10th anniversary Miata. It's supercharged. Ooh, he's got RS4s on here. These are nice wheels, nice tires. It's pretty cool. Look at this guy, bro.
I was gonna do one, but I don't want to screw up any road.
Yeah. There he goes. He's trying to do a burnout. Later, man. Seems like a cool dude. Hopefully, I gets the car done in time. So yeah, man. The car is with Jace at Miatas and More. He said he has a buddy named John that also works on the cars there, like paint and body work. That thing's wicked. It's so cool that it's a 10th anniversary, man. That's nice. Those are my favorite like NB styles. I love the color, and I just absolutely love like the look and the interior. The interior is like solid, you know. We're gonna go over to Supercar Night, and I might grab some food on the way there. I'm a little hungry, but I gotta stop spending money, man. Your boy's going broke. So I'll see you guys at Supercar Night. Should be a couple of cool cars there because it's nice and sunny and not raining. So hopefully it doesn't rain before we get there. Hey, check this out. There's a Supra outside. Pretty cool. Nice color too. This guy's having some problems. Pro charge. That thing is. Look how wide that thing is. This shit is crazy. That thing is nuts. It's so wide. This is what the whole. This is Supercar right here.
That's insane, man.
I can't believe he drives like this.
It's actually a lot quieter than I thought it would be.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's open headers. It's open headers, but it's actually really quiet. Isn't that like really so?
A nice LS. Damn. Got a nice LS here. This thing is wild. Look at this sticker. Look at this sticker.
What's up, man?
Crazy. Look at this, man. Look at the tire. Insane. Manual trans, this is what it's all about. Got a Lambo. Got my buddy Brandon's E92 M3, which is manual. I love that thing. Got a Lotus GTR. Got a lot of nice cars here today. Got these race cars over here. Love the sticker on the side, but did you die? Pretty sick. Got a nice vet, Stingray with a cool wrap. Aventador. Later, man.
Like my Jeep Lamborghini.
Drive safe.
All right, my man.
Nice Jeep Lamborghini, Dan. That's a combustion chamber. Check him out on YouTube. I'll put his link in the description. And there's a Performante, I believe. I think. Oh no, that's a regular Lambo. I can't. I think it's Performante. We have a couple other cars here. Let's do a quick little walk around still. Got a Ferrari. I don't know what this is. Is this a Portofino or something? California. I can't tell the difference. We have this really nice McLaren. I gotta try to talk to the owner. I want to see if I can review it. I think it's a 570S, but it's got really nice setup. Another one here, 570S, 720S. Oh. Here goes the Performante. Check out the bagged Ferrari over here. This is what it's all about. Look at this shit. Flexing on everybody, man. Whew. Oh, let's get that Instagram so I can review it. Big ass truck. So we have a couple of nice cars back here still. We have the ZL1. I think this might be a 3.7, not sure. I have a GSF over here. A couple of Veloster ends. We'll swoop around and get the other side. I have like three Veloster ends over here. And then a Veloster. Whoa, look at this exhaust. Whoa. This exhaust is wild. That's crazy. So we have a sick WRX, RS3s. There's Ants.
That's about to go too.
There's Mikey's. Shit is sick. Woo. But yeah. Alright, so it started to get, started to rain a little bit. It's getting a little dark up there, so everyone's going home. Oh, there's RSX right next to me. Oh, he's getting sideways. What the fuck? So it's the next day, and I was on my way to the shop because I left my keys with Jace. Like the rest of my keys, I forgot to take the Miata keys off. And he texted me like while I was on the way here. He's like, so I got some good news and I got some bad news. I was like, all right, hit me with it. So good news was he got to get to my car earlier because the suspension install guy that was supposed to come in with his ND to get suspension on it, he didn't show up and he had to reschedule. So he got to work on my car first, which was nice. And then he told me that the transmission is kind of like stuck on and he's gonna have to like cut into the bell housing, and then when he puts everything back on, he's gonna have to weld it. So it's gonna be an extra $100. So I was like, I mean, sure. All right, so the car's up on a lift, everything's out. Pretty clean under here if you wanna look. Not really dirty. And then you guys can probably barely see me right now. Actually, that's better. So what he's gonna be replacing is the cast iron cap is kind of like making the car cause a little bit of an oil leak, and also my valve cover is leaking. That's fine. Valve cover I can do in like 2 seconds. Figured while he has everything out, I'll just go ahead and do the cast iron cap. He's like, yeah, it's $20. I was like, cool, thanks, appreciate it. So we're doing that. We're doing the clutch, the rear main seal, the pilot bearing, and the throttle bearing. And he's gonna cut into the bell housing to get everything out and then put everything back in. So that's why I was like, should I do a new clutch then? He's like, it'd probably be a good idea. I hate to put a shitty clutch back in there. I was like, all right. So Might as well do the clutch, figured. So all in all, it's about 780, which is not bad. So it went from 660 to 780, but that's including like the 660 that he originally told me for everything, plus the $100 to cut and weld, plus the $20 for the cast iron cap. So not bad. All in all, it's about 780, but I'll just round it up to 800 bucks. So this is hopefully the last like big repair that the Miata needs. And yeah, hopefully I could just start doing modifications. Also, he said I need a shifter rebuild kit. That I kind of figured already. I told him I was gonna do it next week, but I was like, what makes you think that? I'm like, I know the gears are sloppy and stuff, but it can't be that bad, right? He's like, no, dude, like you literally don't have a bushing in here anymore. Like it's just completely gone. I'm like, wow, that would explain why every gear is just, it feels super sloppy all over the place. So I'm excited to get everything fixed up, and then I can start modifying the car once I get it back home, and we can start doing some wheels, tires, suspension, shifter rebuild kit, exhausts, maybe some headers, you know, just the whole nine. So it's gonna be a not so fast build, you know. I'm not like one of these rich YouTubers that has like all the money in the world, but I'll do what I can as I go along. So I'm looking forward to taking you guys along through the process. All right, so the car is done. So everything looks like it should. Everything's back to normal. Looks pretty solid inside. Clutch feels all right. So when you get inside, feels a little bit smooth, or not, yeah, I guess smoother, but a little bit less like sprung. So this feels, I guess, like what OEM should. So still shifts fine and everything, but yeah, I'm excited, man. Let's get it started. Starts right up, nice and smooth. Oh yeah, this is great, man. Jace did a great job. All right, guys, so I paid Jace. He didn't want to be on camera. He's got a nice little shop inside. Do me a favor, hit him up. I'm gonna leave his information somewhere here on the screen. And yeah, he did a good job. The car moves, it drives just fine. I can't believe it. He's behind me actually, so let me get out of here. That's him in a turbo Miata. I think it's his customers. Or it might be his, I'm not too sure. I just saw him rolling earlier with it. But yeah, dude, car drives. I mean, you can see like I'm in first gear right now. I'm just rolling down the street, cruising down the street in my six. No, I'm just kidding. All right, man. So it took Jace. He said he started the car at about 9 o'clock, and that was when I got there at about 10:30ish. Took him about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes to pull the trans and get everything off. Mainly because of the issue. He would have had everything done already had the pilot bearing not been stuck. But he got everything done in the span of about 4.5 hours. I mean, that was, he called me at 1:30 and he was like, dude, car's done, let me know when you're ready to come pick it up. I was like, amazing, man, incredible.